Good morning, beekeepers. Well, we got some flowers blooming here. Hey, I got 5 new queens I got to put in the hives today. Yep, Charlie's out here exploring already. Yeah, he's going to go find out what he can find out. I think he knows I'm going to walk over to the bee yard. I don't know. We'll see. He'll probably go to the neighbor's house. Anyway, yeah, got 5 new queens. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yippee! And so let me go over just what happened here. Let's start with this little blue one. That's a walkaway split about, maybe 10 days old. So they're doing fine. I'm having them make their own queen. So that's where the blue one's at. All right, now this one here has got a lot of bees in it, but when the inspector was here the other day, it was queenless. So the 2 supers on the bottom have the main colony, and then on top there's a super that has honey in it. It's almost full. I'm gonna checkerboard that one with the up at the top that has just drawn comb in it. So I'm having to think about this as I go along, so bear with me, please. Yeah, it's early in the morning for me. I don't know whether I got my thumb in the way or what. At any rate, oh, pretty bird. Yes, that's where we're at with that one. I'm gonna make a split with that one, a double screen board split. Now let's go back up to the back one with the red on it. This one right up here. That one's full of brood. But on the top, you see I've got newspaper. That's a newspaper combined with a hive that didn't, oh, there's a bug on me. With a hive that didn't make it, a split I made was just a walk away. And they have been, I put the brood in it, 2 frames of brood twice over the last 35 days, and they didn't make a queen for themselves, so we just decided to recombine those. I'm trying to think. The top one, yeah, the top super there has drawn comb in it, and I just had put it on there to collect any honey, and so we decided to just put it back on. Now, the one on the left there, that one there is just equipment. There's nothing in it yet. Up on the top, let's see. This one here with the dark mold on it, it's basically just equipment too. So I keep those things around just in case, you know, a swarm wants to go in, or if, let's see, I need a box while I'm doing splits or making hives or whatever I'm doing. If I ever need to put some frames into it, if I need to put frames somewhere, sometimes just put them on top of the super there, the one on the right, so I can lift the box off easier. I can still lift the whole box off, but it's hard. At any rate, that one's queenless. It's been queenless for some time, so it's not got work. Excuse me. I'm having to think, a little pollen out here. Anyway, oh boy. That one there has is queenless hive, and just a really mean hive. So I'm requeening that. I'm gonna make a double screen board split with that today. So let's see, what else do we have? Oh, the one right here. That's a queenless hive also. And so that one there, I'm gonna let go for now. It's got some issues. Well, wait a minute. Yeah, it's not queenless. That's right, it's not queenless. It has a little bit of European foul brood in it. And the inspector said that I need to feed it sugar water. So it's got a good amount of brood in it, so it's doing all right, but there's a little bit of European foul brood in it. To remedy that, he said to feed it, and if I can, give it a couple of frames of brood just to increase the population, which I don't really want to do that yet. I will do it in a few days maybe. Once this hive here has been combined, in 5 or 6 days maybe, then I'll take some brood from that and put it in this one here I'm talking about. So what do you think? Is that a plan? I'm gonna wind up with 5 queen white hives, hopefully. And then I think I'll have 2 more hives. I might have 7 or 8 hives by the time we get done here. Hey, is that cool? Yeah, I gotta make some sugar water today. Sure do.